Hey, let me show you how you can use the dynamic island on the POCO X8 Pro. So as you can see, it's supported for some limited applications like, for example, clock, stopwatch, and sound recorder. As you can see right now, I can click on it to expand and get quick access into the application that is visible over here. But what if I'm gonna open and use two applications simultaneously? Let's test this. So as you can see here, we can find the clock application. I'm gonna turn on the stopwatch. I'm gonna minimize, and as you can see, we got those applications here. So I can tap on it and get access into two of those applications. And if I try to switch them, as you can see, it's not possible. I can just move it like so. But the second application will be hidden. So that's not good. Now when we slide like this, we will completely turn it off. And if we want to go get it back, we have to just go into those applications and minimize them. So that's how you can actually use it. And now if you're gonna expand any application, you can just click on it one more time to open it. But also when you click on it and make this gesture, you can open application in the floating window mode. And you can already find some transitions, for example, into the split screen mode, like that. You can open second application. So that's basically how it looks. I hope you find that useful.